Good evening to everybody. My name is Surya Narayan Nayak, and I hail from a middle class family, and my father was a civil engineer, and I am the second son, and I have an elder sibling and a sister. I started my schooling along with many parts of my state, Odisha, because my father's job was quite ambulatory. It was quite transferable job, and in many, at least 7 to 8 places, my schooling has been done. So it is not a fixed kind of thing. So I don't have much of fixed friendship with any place, anybody in any place. After settling down at Bhubaneswar, the capital, I did with college and then CWA, the costing, and then at the time I was not able to speak in English. You'll be surprised to know, even not a single sentence. So I felt very pity that now what shall I do? I mean, I've done it CWA and I need to do something. So I just went to a Catholic nun. She was teaching English. So she just took my interview, and I was very much good at English vocabulary and grammar. So she told that no, I was at the top class, but only thing that no, you have to just go to that podium and stand there and speak whatever. So, and second day you should not think that no, anybody who are looking at, be it bank officer or anything, or let's say any rickshaw puller also, if you can see, you have to speak in English. That's all. So I have improved a lot. So my interview was at ONGC also. It helped. ONGC management training, then Power Grid Corporation. So up to group discussion I went. So that was a achievement due to the that one. And I have talking about the association with always a friendship. I have always liked in my life to have friendship with people who are at least 5 to 10 years older than me. I don't like my own colleagues, usually, because I have always believed that I have a lot of things to learn from people who have seen at least minimum 10 years ahead of me. So that way I always liked, and I was very much interested to know about many facets of life, many products. Like at the age of class 4, at class 4, I asked my father whether I can visit a paper mill. So I visited JK Paper Mill at the age of class 4, and I have seen the Hirakud Dam. And I was fortunate to go inside into the turbine level to see what is the dam. So that kind of quest for knowledge was always there, and I was very much interested to participate in the debate in the school days. But unfortunately, one astrologer told that no, this guy can be a politician in future. So actually my parents were worried, so they never allowed me to go into debate. So that was an unfortunate part of my life. But I was always interested for debate. So after the passing of the CWA, when I was preparing for the management training of different public sector undertakings, at the time, one person told that no, equity could be a good line. I mean, equity analyst. So at that time, I was not knowing what is equity and all. So one of my CWA teacher, he told that no, you read Economics Times daily and you will understand. I was just going through. I said, what is this GDP and all? I am not able to understand. He said, no, you just read and get me actually whatever you don't like. Okay, so. So I mean, just practicing different things to know about different industries. At the time, business line was born. So I got the different industry notes of business line. There is a compendium of industry. So I was going through all those things. At the time, internet was not there. Even computer has just come. So I took the computer, but unfortunately, internet was not there at my place. Anyway, that I nurtured. The quest for different industries and all. I came to Mumbai just to have a career in equity, but I didn't get anything. Again, same whatever I was doing at the accountant's job, here also in Belapur under Siram Transport Finance, I got that job, but I didn't like. So somehow, I mean, after a lot of perseverance with my job, SP sir actually gave me an opportunity to have to start a career in equity analysis. So that is, and I'm still continuing, and the quest for knowledge is still there, and it is unsaturated at every time of moment. So I'm still a learner, and I'm prepared. I'm amenable to change, and eager to learn many things. So still, I'm seeking help from anybody. I mean, who can learn me on any aspect. So, and I am influenced by a lot of people in India who have sacrificed in their life. So that was the part of the second. If I'll be allowed, then I can have a detailed talk on that. So this is my journey. It is continuing. Thank you.
Thank you.